Thanks. Ang ganda ng gown mo. Sino nag-design at gumawa ng gown mo?
Si, Ate Rica.
Ate Rica ang kanyang nag-design. Where are the supporters of Lean? Ay, humina. Again, where are the supporters of Lean? Okay, ano sasabihin mo sa mga supporters and fans mo?
Thank you.
Thank you. Birthday mo kahapon, di ba? Bukas. Birthday mo bukas. O, yan. So, anong wish mo?
Sana manalo dito.
Magandang birthday wish yun. Sana pagbigyan ka ni God. Ayan. So, pick a question. The question is, what is your guiding principle in life? Again, what is your guiding principle in life?
First of all, sir, thank you for that wonderful question. For me, when we say principle, it is something to do that we can act and choose. But for me, it is something that when it is something that when you kung pag nire-respect mo yung mga taong nasa paligid mo, parang nire-respeto mo na rin yung sarili mo. Thank you.
So, her guiding principle in life is that respect begets respect. Okay? So, kung nire-respeto mo yung sarili mo, nire-respeto kayo ng iba. So, parang pag mabait ka sa sarili mo, mabait ka din. Or mabait ka sa kapwa mo, mabait din sila sa'yo. Ayan. So, that's her principle, guiding principle in life. Now, let's move on to our last candidate, Miss Noemi Deyang. Wow. Sinong gumawa ng gown mo?
Si Tita Adi Manansala po.
Okay, si Tita Andy daw ang kanyang handler, okay? So, where are the supporters of Noemi? Madami. Hinakot mo ata ang buong Santiago. Ayun. So, what can you say to your supporters?
Thank you po sa mga supporters ko. Lalo po sa mga sa parents ko po at sa mga relatives ko po. Nagaling pa po na Masantol para po manood ang po.
Wow, so from Masantol po pala yung iba niyang supporters. Thank you, ma'am and sir. The question is, what is the significance of a door in your life and why? Again, what is the significance of a door in your life and why?
First of all, good evening. Thank you for that wonderful question, sir.